Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to continue to talk to us about poor eye hair staining, the factor that could lead to poor eye hair staining. Obviously, we have looked at a number of factors already. Okay, I'm going to continue to mention other factors as well. So today, the another thing I want to talk about today is incomplete washing. Incomplete washing. Anyway, before we continue, my name is Dr. Emmanuel Obodo. I'm a biomedical scientist and I'm also a lecturer in biomedical science here in the United Kingdom. Like the name sound, incomplete washing. Now remember, when we have this primary antibody bind to the antigen, then the secondary antibody will enhance it. Now remember, this binding could sometimes could lead to maybe no specific binding, or as the case may be. Remember what I taught you guys about blocking, why it's important to block any possible protein that could bind non-specifically. Okay, so another thing that could lead to, let's say there's a non-specific binding. Okay, one other thing that can limit non-specific, the impact of the non-specific binding is when we do proper washing. So when we do proper washing, it can limit the effect of non-specific binding. What that means is that if we don't do proper washing, or if there is incomplete washing, that could lead to poor eye hair staining. Now, what can we do? What we need to do is to make sure that we wash properly. So there has to be adequate wash. You wash with a washing buffer, okay? Maybe buffer saline that is made with maybe PBS, okay? Or maybe Tris PBS, as the case may be. So you have what we call phosphate buffered saline. Phosphate buffered saline. So that's PBS. Or you can have what we call Tris buffered saline, which is TBS. So whichever way, you make sure that the washing solution, or the washing buffer rather, you make sure that the washing buffer is used to ensure there's appropriate and effective washing. That way it can limit the impact of the non-specific binding. I hope that makes sense. Okay, where possible, if you notice that maybe the background staining is still high, you might need to consider increasing the washing time. Okay, so these are the ways that could help to limit the impact of the very inadequate washing on the contributing to the poor eye hair staining. Remember, like I've said, if we don't wash properly, those non-specific binding could contribute in the color development. So that is why it is important that we wash very, very well. And if we think that there's still impact of the non-specific binding, you might need to consider increasing the washing time. That way it can be able to enhance specificity, because what you want is to make sure that the color that is developed is consistent with what you are looking for. You don't want any non-specific binding contributing to that color development. I hope that makes sense. So inadequate washing could lead to inadequate or incomplete washing could lead to poor eye hair staining. I hope that makes sense. All right, thank you very much. Do let me know what you think about the video. Please, can I ask you to like, share, subscribe, and I wish you all the best till I come back your way again. Bye bye.